Just a relaxing day. I'm sorry, but can I please have my seat back? It's my seat. It even has my number. Please. What? You can take that other seat. Look, dude, if you have a problem with me sitting there, then you're gonna pay. I have a gun in my backpack. And if you don't move right now, then I'll shoot you. Just sit there, please. I mean, other people are waiting behind you, so can you just sit there? I mean, it would be nice to let that man stay there at his seat and you can sit right there. Just please let me sit here. Actually, you need to go.
Wait, what?
And sit back there, because if you don't go in the count of 3, 1,
You know what? I'm done with this.
2, 3.
Wait, what are you doing?